parachute breaking, and now we're going to take off. But it's still this place. Wait a minute. We are now in the Batik Air. Look, it's the plane. It's actually having rain, but it's almost going to rain. Look. What is this? We're almost going to take off and look at the plane. You made it. Oh, there's not a gate for the tube. Planes have some special planes for 747. I don't know. I don't know for 747. I never read that before. Wait a minute. To take off. Now, look, it's foggy. Wait, I must stop. It's actually foggy. Look, it's foggy. Let me see it. You can see anything? Okay, don't forget to attach. Wait a minute. There's another plane. Let me see. No. Oh. What's going on?
Flight attendant, take off Steve.
There's some small planes. Oh. Oh, there's more small plane too. I want to ride small plane, but I don't. They do like that. Oh, what's going on? Oh, there's another plane. Oh, what's that? Is that to your right or to the swing? Oh, oh, what? What the hell is this? My speed is still not very, very fast. It's still going to take off, but it's not a plane. Another plane too. Why they don't have so small plane in here? Are they had before or not? Oh! Oh, wait a minute. What is that? Oh! rain. Rain, rain. Calm. I want to do so having rain. Why so long? Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Place to take off. Oh, this is place to take off. Now we're going to take off now. It's like this way, planes, go.